Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your financial security with LifeLock, full guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your financial security with LifeLock, start by visiting the official LifeLock website. Once there, browse through the various plans offered to find one that suits your needs. Click on the Get Started button, which will guide you to the sign-up process. Provide your personal information, including your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. This information is essential for LifeLock to monitor your identity effectively. Next, choose additional features that you may want, such as credit monitoring or scanning for dark web activity. After selecting your plan and features, enter your payment information to complete the purchase. Review all terms and conditions before submitting your order. Once your account is set up, log into the LifeLock dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the various tools available, including alerts and credit score tracking. Make sure to enable notifications to stay updated on any suspicious activity related to your identity. Regularly check the monitoring reports provided by LifeLock. Take advantage of the identity restoration services offered if you encounter any issues. Keep your contact information updated in the LifeLock system to ensure seamless communication. Consider setting reminders to review your financial records and credit report regularly. By following these steps, you can effectively leverage LifeLock to enhance your financial security. Stay proactive about your identity protection and utilize all available resources. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.